Hey guys, my name is Anup from NextGen, and today we are going to learn how to use Visual Composer in WordPress to update your page content. So let's get started. So this is our website, and in this we have used Visual Composer. So we are going to learn how we can update the content. Now just suppose this page we have to update. Once you log in, you will get a edit button. And if you don't know how to log in, I have given the link in the description how you can log in to WordPress website. Then whatever page you want to edit, you have to just open that page. Let's say I want to edit that particular home page, so I have opened the home page, and then you will get the edit option at the top. Once you click on the edit option, you will get page like this after complete loading. Now what you have to do to compare, if you are a beginner and you want to know like what to edit and where to edit, you can simply do what you can right click on view page and open a new tab. So once you have done that, so first is our slider, and if we see the backend, this is our first slider, the slider code. You don't need to touch this. Then there is a second option of 25 years of experience, quality service, and valuable ideas. So you can see there is 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3. So now what you want to do, you want to edit this 25 plus years of experience. So if you'll see here, there is a text of 25 years of experience. So you have to hover on that particular, like hover is something where you have to put your mouse on this. After putting that mouse, you will get 3 options. One is the edit, second is the duplicate, third is the delete. Once you click on the delete, it will be removed. Once you click on the clone, it will be duplicate this particular whatever the thing is. Like if you are hovering on this particular, you can duplicate. Now we have to edit, so if we just click on the edit, there will be a pop-up, and in this pop-up you will get an option to edit this. So you can click here and you can just remove and add whatever you want, and then you have to just simply press save changes. You don't need to remove or duplicate anything because the theme developer has used the advanced setting as we have used. Like we have removed added a background color, we have little bit given them margin tops to give the external styling. So you just remember that if you are a beginner, you just need to update the content. So like I want to change some content or there is some spelling mistake by the developer, and you as a website owner you want to correct it. What we do differently? So we can compare first the slider, second is the second section. So it will say this is the second section. I can click on this to close this second section. Then if the third is here, so it will say the main agenda of this particular line, you can get easily over here. The main agenda of the same means if you want to edit this particular paragraph, you have to simply go on this and just edit on this. You will get this particular. So whatever you want to edit, you can edit. You can make the things bold. Let's say you want to bold, you have to just select and you have to click on bold, it will be bold. If you want to make some extra link, you can click on link, it will be converted into link, and you can control Z by this. And it's just like a MS Word, just you have press the enter and you can put the some number list like 1, 2, 3 and like this, whatever you want to. And if you want to add some images, so what you can do, you can just click on add media, and whatever image you have you can insert. Like I have just click on this and I can insert into this particular page and it will be inserted. And if you inserted, you can just click and you can just press back button to remove this particular image. And if you want to upload a new image, you can simply go in the upload section and select your any file from your computer and just upload the same way. So let's quickly see another page. One more thing is, once you have done any changes, you have 2 options. One is the update page, update. One is update, second is the preview changes. Preview changes will show you the preview changes, but it will not update in the database. Means if you have done something like you are not confident, let's suppose you have updated a heading, this is the heading, and I have updated to 24 to 25 to 24. I have just done the save changes, and remember this, these changes will not save until you will not press on the update. So make sure whatever you change, you first click on the preview changes. Preview changes will show you the temporary result. like I have changed 24 5 to 24, so it's showing me correct result, means I have done perfectly. So what I can do, I can just click on update. Now after clicking the update, it has been permanently saved. So the best way to edit any page, you have to make changes, you have to see the preview changes. If you whatever you want to do that has been done, then you have to click on update if you are a beginner. So let's undo the changes. We'll find the same approach. First we will correct the changes, then we will see the preview update. So the changes has been done correctly. Now what we'll do, we will update the changes. So this is how we have updated on home page, and whatever page you want to do, you can simply navigate to your website. Let's suppose we have a product of heat sump. Now what we want is status I want to remove, like the development has been complete and it's right now it has been completed. So I want to remove this status under development. So what I can do, I can just simply click on edit page. Now you'll see here, this is a major part of the power consumption, and above this you can see status under development. So what I can do, I can remove the heading. I remove the heading. So after removing the heading, what we have to do, we have to do preview changes. Don't update the page because you may lose something. So first of all, you have to do preview changes once, because it's temporary result. So I have seen, oh, it has been removed. Then if I'm getting the perfect result that I wanted in the starting, then I can simply click on update. Now right now I'm just demonstrating you, so I don't want to remove it. So if I'll close this, I didn't click on the update button, and I again go in the product and this heat some product. So you can see it has been restored. So I hope you got better understanding for the Visual Composer, how you can easily update your content. So if you're interested to get more videos on WordPress, or you want to manage your website effectively, you can subscribe this channel and on the notification. So next time I upload any informational video related to WordPress, you can directly get that and you can manage your website more efficiently. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.